John Brown is a philosophical archetype for an ideologically motivated guerrilla fighter. And as such, the real John Brown often disappears beneath a veil of myth, of reimagining throughout the years. And statues and busts and music and books have created what other people see in John Brown rather than the actual John Brown. John Brown the man was a relatively common person for the 19th century, minus the fact that he was radically motivated to end slavery and bring civil rights to African Americans. But that John Brown isn't as interesting as the image you want to build around it. So when we think of John Brown, you have to really dig and look behind the image to find the real John Brown. But the real John Brown, in reality, isn't a person, it's an idea. It's the idea whether or not people should be free. When is it okay, morally right, to use violence? When is enough enough?